LED system. The pass is also LED. It has a halogen pilot lamp which remains on all the time. We move to the tank. It has been redesigned. The FZS gets these chrome accents, but the FZ version 3, it remains the same as like before. The FZS has different color options than the FZ version, and the split seats are now gone. You get a single seat now with a proper grab rail, which looks very functional. Seats are now softer and more comfortable for the rider and pillion. Now another important thing that is of course there is the single channel ABS system. So you can see this has got the ABS ring at the front. It is April 2019, the ABS has to be compulsory, but yeah, much welcome addition. Overall the design looks a lot similar to the FZ25. The design theme has been same. You can also see the black color option over there, and also I will show you the new instrument console, and that's how it starts up. And I'll just start it up as well.